Rotary kaonti ma Bungoma ne owuok oko kendo riwore gi oganda e chenro mar golo remo e kar tiegruok mar piny owacho ma Bungoma ka gikwayo oganda mondo ogol remo mondo okony jotuo madwaro kony mar remo. Jatend riwruok mar Rotary e kaonti ma Bungoma Anthony Kisa kaachiel kod nyawadgi Masiaya Rose Waringa owacho ni chenro ma kamano biro konyo e reso ngima joma nigi tuo remo kaachiel kod jotuo manyalo dwaro remo.
We are happy because we've been visited by the Safe Alive Give Blood. We are giving the blood. We are donating our blood to our sisters and brothers outside there who are suffering in insufficiency of blood. I want to urge the comrades of the Bungoma National Polytechnic, let's be solidarity to help our sisters and our brothers outside there.
We've been having shortages in our blood banks. At the same time, there's a pack of the sickle cell anemia patients or kids who are suffering from that disease that really require blood. So I'm still encouraging that we need more blood. So if you're outside there and by giving blood out, by donating blood, you're saving a life somewhere else. And you see, you're going to be counted as one person who has really bring a transformative change to the society.
We just really want to thank the students because wametokelezea wengi. They've come in large numbers kusaidia blood donation because kama sahi it's so alarming that our hospitals hazina damu. I myself nimezaliwa anemic, so I'm a champion of blood donation. So anytime we have a blood donation and we have a turnout like this, we just thank God because our hospitals like now